just gassed it up to the 7-mile road test. Transmission shifting better now. Actually, it's shifting correctly. We're going back on the lift. We have to pull the new motor mounts that we just had re-vulcanized by a specialist, and we'll block it up while we send the motor mounts out on a rush to get done, because we have a show coming up very shortly. After the engine gets blocked and we pull the mounts out, we're going to overnight them to get done, and the car is going back into the bay to get redetailed.